Welcome to Sly Media TV. I am Daniel Kachere. Various individuals and corporates have been arrested for illegally using Elon Musk's StarLink satellite internet services in Zimbabwe. Sly Media TV managed to have a tele-interview with Potra's Director General, Dr. Gift Machengeti, who unpacked controversies surrounding the illegal use of Starlink internet services in the country. This is what he had to say.
My first question was on issues pertaining to the recent arrest of certain individuals or corporates that are using Starlink. I wanted a brief comment on that with regards from Potras. We know that Starlink, everyone in Zimbabwe is skeptical, is expecting Potras to say a word about this. So I wanted to know whether Potras has already approached you with intentions to start their internet connectivity in Zimbabwe.
Okay. Yes, the Starlink is shown interest to have their services offered in this country.
Yes.
But they have not yet got the license because they have not applied for the license. When we say applying for a license,
yes,
we mean a person would have lodged his papers, all the full papers that are required, and also paid some application fee and all that. Starlink has not yet done that. They have shown interest and they have requested for information. We have given them. They are still deciding on which type of license they would want to have in Zimbabwe. So that's where we are.
Okay, we understand. Then there's this contention that only small corporates or individuals are being targeted with arrests. But right now, in the public domain, we have our national broadcaster, ZBC, which is being alleged to have been using the service. I don't know if you can comment anything surrounding that.
You know, what happens is those are allegations, and we also respond to allegations. So I think inspectors have been there to ZBC. They didn't find the StarLink gadget. For us, we arrest when we find the gadget, in use, or when you are hiding it somewhere, then we take action. But if there is no gadget, then it becomes difficult because it's people saying they were using it or they are using it, but we continue to investigate to see whether we can find the gadget. Otherwise, we are not targeting anyone. It's the law, as I said one time, that when you are caught, it does not matter who you are. The law still applies to everyone. So if they have it and it's there and we find it, we arrest them.
All right, thank you. Okay, there are also issues surrounding the availability of gadgets in the country. So there's one public figure who actually advertised selling the gadgets, and many others, especially on Facebook markets, who claim that they can supply and install it to individuals within 48 hours. So what action is Potras taking to safeguard against such people who are bringing this?
Those are those people who are being arrested, actually. The issue is, if you are selling the gadget and our inspectors get hold of you and you try to sell to them, then you get arrested, you see. Because then they will have the evidence that you are really selling it. But some of the posts that you are talking about, some of them were just people saying I'm selling, but they did not have the gadgets. Some of them, they were actually planning to import the gadgets in. So when inspectors go there and they don't find the gadgets, it now becomes, difficult to arrest a person without the evidence.
Okay, I understand. And lastly, these things obviously come through our borders, and I understand that our borders, there are mechanisms that have been put in place, like scanners and all that. How are these
Yes.
people shipping in these gadgets and undetected?
Some of them are not going through the normal, entry points. As we are speaking, there are quite a number which have been, confiscated at the Robert Mugabe International Airport there. Because they were detected by the scanners there. But some of the people who are bringing these things are bringing them not using the official entry points, but just crossing the border somewhere, some border jumpers and things like that. So it becomes quite an issue and quite difficult. But at the airport, everybody is aware that these gadgets are not allowed in the country at the moment. It's not that they are banned, but they have not been approved by Potras. So until such time that they are approved by Potras, when the operator has been licensed, then there is no problem at all. So basically it's the question of licensing, because everybody who operates in the telecommunication sector has got to be regulated, has got to be licensed. That's all.
Right. Concerning security issues, there are those who are still using the StarLink service. Concerning security issues, security concerns, there are those who are illegally using this StarLink. Are there any mechanisms or capacitations that Potras has to be able to detect them while they're using them?
Now that one, if we do have that would be then classified, because if we are going to tell you that we are now capable of detecting where you are, then we are forewarning culprits who are illegally utilizing these gadgets. But suffice to say that it is illegal, and if you are caught, you will be arrested, definitely.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time, Dr. Machengeti. If I have any follow-up question, I'll always call.
Yeah, please. It's okay. It's important to quote people as they say.
Right.
So it's okay. You can call me back if you have any clarifications that you require.
All right. Thank you, and have a safe journey.
Thank you very much, and thank you for calling. You said you are.
All right. Daniel Kachere, SMTV.
Oh, Kachere.
Yes.
Kachere. And Kachere. Okay.
Yes.
So then, thank you so much.
You're welcome, though.
Okay, bye.
Bye.